Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infomobile mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infomobile mobile guys password security setting, and today video title is guys how to set face lock, how to add face lock in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to use face lock settings, so how to use face lock setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, Infinix mobile friends, open security setting. After on security setting friends, scroll it. Friends, you want to set face lock, so friends click here, set lock screen, and then select your password type first. Friends, I will use pin lock password, next option. And friends, remember your password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data in your Infinix mobile. Friends, I will use 1 2 3 4 confirm, done option. And show your face, and when don't wear mask and glasses. Okay friends, remove your glasses and mask and click here next option, and then show your face here on this frame, and then face lock will set in your Infinix mobile. After show face, face lock will set. Friends, click here done option, and friends you can use face lock on your lock screen. Friends, show your face on lock screen, and friends your phone will unlock automatic. Friends, show your face, my phone will unlock automatic. After show face, so friends, you want to unlock your phone with face lock, so I show your face, phone will unlock. And friends, don't show your face direct. Friends, you can enter password also, and you can unlock your phone. 1 2 3 4, phone unlock. So like that friends, we can set face lock, and friends we can use face lock in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, not do have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment section. Friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.